Hello everyone, I'm Saurav. In today's video, we'll see what is a DMG file and how you can install it on your Mac. To start, what is a DMG file? Like how Windows uses .exe file extension for its apps, Mac OS uses .dmg file extension for its application files. Now, you cannot just double click and install it as it requires a specific method. To see how to install a DMG file on your Mac, locate the file on your Finder first. For example, I wish to install this app. Simply right click on it and select Open. You will be presented with a small window where you need to drag the app from here to the applications folder. You will hear a sound which signifies that the application has been installed on your Mac. Simply select the cross icon over here to exit from this window. Now to see if the app has been installed or not, select the applications folder from here and there you will see that the app has been installed. Now you can eject the DMG file using this icon right here. Since there is no need of the DMG file anymore, you can go ahead and delete it using the keyboard shortcut Command plus delete. And later on, you can also delete it from the trash to clear your storage space. Thank you so much for watching this video.